This cipher Morse code is GAMEFI. GAMEFI. As you can see, anytime you come to see my video, you see that those numbers per hour, those profit per hours keep increasing. Please always remember to do that. You know the drill. The drill is you tap at this M per hour 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It opens. Then you go down and you will see this your hamster. You remember that you are going to tap on the body. GAMEFI is spelled GAMEFI. GAMEFI. So to spell G, you tap and hold on the body of the hamster, which is dash dash dot dash dash dot. That's G. To spell A is dot dash dot dash. That's A. To spell M is dash 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 dash. That's M. To spell E is dot. F is dot dot dash dot. I is dot dot. So that's your GAMEFI there, and you have claimed your token.